Hello everyone, let's move to the next command. The next command is very important, that is a chase command. So with the help of this command, we can manage the Linux password expiration and aging. So let's see how we can use this command, chase command. So it's very simple. Suppose I have just created a user@, or already created user, let's see. I believe the user ID tag is already on the system, so this ID. So with the help of chase -l, it will list about the tag user. Now you can see that I have got some information. So with the help of this chase, it will list out, it will give you the detail about password expiration and aging of that user. So here the last password changed of that user was November 13, and the next is your password expire. So this is an idle condition. This is my test server, that's why it is showing never. But if you will see in your environment, whatever the password policies have been set, accordingly the entries will be showing there. Password expires mean, suppose you have set it for 3 months or 1 month, so your password will be expire after 1 month. The next one is your inactive. Inactive means, suppose you have, suppose today is 13th is the last password change, and 13th of December this password is going to be expire after 1 month, but you are not able to change your password till 13th of December after 1 month. So what will happen? Your password will be expired. Okay, and here password inactive means, suppose you have given 10 days or 5 days. So what will happen? After 13th of December that your password will expire, still you have 5 more days to change your password. Okay, so once the 13th of December will reach, you are not, suppose you are not able to change the password, and 13th of December has reached. Now if you will try to log into your system on 13th of December or 14th of December, what will happen? The system will say that your password is expired, and if you want to log into your system, first you have to give your current password and new password. You have to set a new password, then only you would able to enter in your system. Many times you must have observed that whenever you are trying to log into your system, it is asking for the current password and new and confirmation password. So that is this one. Suppose you have set for inactive password for 5 days, so still you have 5 more days to change your password. You have to supply your current password and then new password and confirm password. Suppose you have set it for password inactive 5 days. So from 13, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 December, you have 5 days to change your password. Suppose you are not in the office, or maybe because of some hectic job, hectic time is going on, you are not able to change your password, and your password inactive is also restart. So what will happen? Your account will be expired here. Expired means, here what will happen here, let me again tell you, after 5 inactive days you are not able to, suppose that in that case what will happen? On 17th of December you are not able to log into your system. In that case you have to talk to the respective team, your admin team who is managing the servers, to reset your password, then only you would able to enter in your system. Now coming to this password account expire, suppose you have set it for 3 months, and 3 months, after 3 months you are not able to change the password, or so what will happen? Your account will be locked, right? Account lock means there is little bit difference, password lock and account lock. Password lock, that can be understand like you are not able to change your password within a specific period of time, like 1 month or 5 more days when your password is inactive. But suppose you are not able to change your password during a 3 months of period, in that case your account will be locked. And once your account will be locked, then you have to talk to the respective team, you have to provide all the approvals, and you have to give the justification for that, why you are not able to change your password for the last 3 months. And maybe you have to talk to your respective managers for that and get all the approvals, justification, then only your account will be unlocked. So this is the difference between password lock and account lock. Here few more policies here. Minimum number of days a password change, that is 0. It means that suppose you have changed your password today, immediately you can change your password. Suppose if it is set to 2 days, so it means that suppose tech user has changed his password today, so the tech user will not able to change his password at least for the next 2 days. He or she has to use the same password for the next 2 days. Maximum number of days, that is same as your password expired. And number of the days of warning before the password expired means suppose your password is going to expire on this particular date after 1 month. So a week before, suppose you have set it for 7 days, a week before your password going to expire, you will start getting a warning message like your password is going to expire within 7 days or 6 days, 5 days. So like this way you will start getting a warning message. So this is the benefit of chase command. And how to set all those things, we have a lot of options for that. Chase hyphen capital I, capital E. So with those commands you can set the password expiration. So let's move to the next command. The next command is chroot command to change the permission of the files or directory. So let me show that how we can do that. So I am going here. So a lot of files are here. Suppose I want to change the permission of this file, test file. So as of now I can see that the permission of this file test is having this one. This is read write for the user who has created the file. This is for the second one is your group. Group is also having the read permission, and the last others is also having the read permission. So to change the permission we can use chmod 777 if I am giving, so it will be coming full permission. You can see that. So how this number is coming? So let me tell you, 4 number is for the read, 2 number is for the write, and 1 number is for the executable permission. Okay, so here I have given 7 means read, write, executable. 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So that's why it is showing read, write and executable. The first means this first 3. The next 3 is denoted with the this second one. Second 7 is the next 3 here. And last 7 is for the others. So first is for the owner of the user who has created this file. Second 3 is for the group, like admin group or whatever the group you have. And the last one is your others. So like this way you can put the permission. Let me change the permission. I want that read and write. So for read and write, 4 plus 2, that is 6. And for group I want to give it to only executable permission 1. And for others I want only write permission. You can give it like this way and this. So you can see the permission are coming like that. Let's move to the next command. So next command is to change the ownership of the files and directory. So here you can see the ownership is root and root. If you want to change the ownership, you can do this. Suppose I want root and admin and test. So this is what the command I have set it now. Now you can see the ownership has been changed. It means that this is a user test, and this test file has been created by a root user, and this file is a part of admin group. So whatever the users would be the part of that group, that is your admin group, they have the access to the file. They have only executable permission. Suppose this is my admin group and 5 users would be the part of that group. User 1, user 2, user 3 and user 4 and user 5. So you have to look for the middle 3. Middle 3 is for the permissions for the group. So those users, 5 users who are the part of admin group, they would have the only executable permission to this file. I want that admin should have read and write permission, admin users. So for that I can use chmod middle one is for the 6 means I am not touching this permission. It is 6 means read write. I am not going to change it, but I have to change it for the middle one. Middle one is for your group. I want it should be read and write. 4 plus 2, that is 6, and last I want to as it is, that is 4, and test. I can see that the group admin, the 5 users who is the part of that group, now they have the read and write permission to that file. Okay, so this way you can use the chmod command and chown command, and you can always use manuals for chmod and chown command to get the more information about it. So friend, that's all for this lecture. Please join with me in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.